Welcome back. Today I'm here with Santiago. He's working on the Cutlass. He's doing an LS swap. You guys got to check this out. He's at the beginning stages, so he still needs some work, but he's going to tell us all about it. And stay tuned because he's going to let us know about a little incident / accident he had. So we got to be careful when we're working on these cars. Let's check it out. All right, Santiago, so let us know what you got going on this car, man, so far.
It's a 1986 5.3 4060 swap. Started 2 years ago. I had a couple accidents. Couldn't ever get it to finish. Now I finally got it, touching it up slowly and need to get it on the road.
Awesome. What happened to your, you said you had two other engines in here, right?
Yeah, 2 other ones.
What happened to those?
I got in a car accident. I couldn't pay my bills on time. I just had to sell it.
Gotcha.
And then the other one, I got put in here. My cousin blew his motor and I just give it to him. Let him have it, took it right out.
Awesome. So this is the third one?
Yeah.
But you got this one running, huh?
Hopefully it's good.
Awesome. What kind of harness did you use on this car?
That's just a cheap Amazon harness, man.
Okay.
They all work the same.
And you said you had to rewire some things, right? So some of it, he's going to clean all this up. He's just wiring it to run and work. A few little things you got to...
Yeah, I want a intake air temperature sensor instead of a MAF.
Oh, okay.
Much cleaner look. Run any intake you want on there.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
See, I'm learning on all this as well. I don't know that much. We did an LS swap on mine, but I'm still learning as we go.
Yes,
Pretty
sir.
nice. You got a 5.3 and a 4060, right?
Yes, sir. Short tube
4060.
headers.
And you got some wheels just to get it off the ground for now, right?
Yes, sir.
You're going to get some other ones, you said?
Yeah, the Kragers. Should have them in a
Nice.
week.
Okay. And you want to get you said the electric fans?
Electric fans, new updated radiator, and for sure brand new window. The car come with a busted window when I got it.
Oh, I see. Okay. Nice, man. Did you do the primer on it or it came like that?
Yeah, I primed it, sanded it all down in my old shop, primed it myself, and then that's when the motor blew.
All right. You like to do burnouts, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right, man.
This is here from the old tire when doing a burnout. It started slapping the body.
Yeah, this guy Santiago likes to do some burnouts. Even if he destroys the engines, he'll just put another one on, huh, Santiago?
Yes, sir.
That'll work, man. And on the inside, what do you got going on?
I started taking off the door panels, put some speakers, and also when I painted the car and blew the engine, never got back to it. They're all in the trunk, so I will put them back on soon.
Okay. So that's where you got your ECU right now for now?
Yes, sir. It'll be tucked
see
in
it.
under the glove box in the next video.
And
For
you
sure.
said this little box is for your drive-by-wire pedal?
Yes.
Okay.
And the pedal will be bolted up the right way with the factory G-body one. That's
Got
just held in there to move it around.
Okay. And you said you got a new stereo as well?
Yeah, new stereos coming,
All right.
system for the trunk, and some new seats on the way. The headliner on this car is actually really good.
Man, that's got some new seats and everything, huh?
Yes, sir.
That's exactly what mine looks like. Well, with the other gauges I had. Man, it looks good, man. I know it needs work. All of our cars need, mine needs a lot of work, tons of work. But it's gonna look good, and I know you're gonna get it done, man.
By next summer, it'll be on the road.
By next summer?
It'll be the daily.
Heck yeah. That's cool, man. I think you're doing a good job here.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
It looks like mine. What year model is this?
86.
86. Classic auto.
Got an engraved back window.
I noticed that a while ago. I see it. You engraved it. Nice. Did this one have a
Yeah, it's
a vinyl top?
original, yeah, rag top with
Okay.
vinyl. Took that off, sanded it. Never got to the Bondo, but we'll get there.
Gotcha. Looks good, man. Heck yeah. There we go. See the exhaust? Has no exhaust all the way to the back. It's just the headers, right? That's all you have?
Just straight headers for now.
Straight headers. So he still has exhaust to do and a lot of other little things to button it together.
It's got a
He's gonna
misfire
crank it
right
for
now.
us. He said he still got to kind of get it fine-tuned. All right. Yep. He's still got to fine tune it, get everything in order, huh, Santiago?
Get an exhaust, get the rear O2s,
Oh, yeah.
and some tips out the rear. She'll be good to go.
Heck yeah, man. That's nice. I like it, man. So, Santiago, tell me a little bit about this car, man. Like, why a Cutlass?
I traded a mild motorcycle for this car, went and picked it up a couple hours away. I caught my eye, found it on Facebook Marketplace. My dad used to have one of these before he passed away. It didn't stick around. We ended up selling it. So finally found one, and here it is. Get it right.
That's awesome, man. So your dad used to have one?
Yeah, it was a light blue. Same front end, same lights in the back.
Nice, man. Well, that's good. That's kind of, your dad passed away, but I got mine because my dad had one. So similar story. I still have my dad, but I got the car because of that as well. So it's pretty neat, man. Thanks for sharing that.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it. We're going to try to come back and do an update on this car. And he lives about 15 minutes away from where I am, so it's not too far. We could get together any day and get everybody an update on this nice Cutlass. So everybody else, keep on working on your cars. Santiago, anything you want to add, man?
And just be safe.
Be safe. Oh, yeah. Almost forgot. He had a little incident that happened. If you want to tell us about this, Santiago, just give everybody we need to watch out when we're working on cars. And we know that, but sometimes things happen.
Thought I had my car jacked up the right way, sitting on blocks. Aired up the tires. It wasn't in park, and he rolled back right on top of me.
And it rolled on top of him, and he ended up in the ER. Right.
Yes, sir. Cracked pelvic bone.
Cracked pelvic bone, guys. Got to be careful. Could have been a lot worse. Was anybody there? Did anybody see it?
Yeah, everybody was there.
Oh.
They called the ambulance right away and picked me up.
Man, I'm glad he's okay. I've been checking up on him through text, make sure he's good. He's getting better. He had to use a walker for a few days, but this happened just, a couple weeks ago?
Beginning of the year, on the 1st.
Actually, the 1st of the year, that's right. On New Year's Day, he texted me that he ended up at the ER. But we have to be careful, guys. A lot of things can happen. That could have been a lot worse. And luckily, he had some people there that were there to help, because if you're alone and you get car falls or rolls over on top of you, I don't know, could be really bad.
Yes, sir.
But this guy was lucky that day. He's not afraid. He's going to continue working on the car, just I'm sure with a lot more precaution.
Yes, sir.
But we'll see you guys on the next video. In Santiago, we'll stay in touch with him and get updates on this nice Cutlass that he's got. See you on the next video.